All right, y'all. First video on my new phone, and we're starting off with an unboxing. That's why I haven't been able to post this frequently. I needed to get a new phone, a new camera, and now that I have one, hopefully everything's coming through clear. And Green Matte Civilian at it again today. So today we're gonna be talking about something that I've been really interested in getting. I actually tried to clone it a couple times. We'll talk about that after the unboxing, probably towards the end. But let's check it out. So we got something from Qvo. I've been a fan of this product for a while. I just was hesitating on pulling the trigger, no pun intended, on it. And I think that this will be a very neat product. I did already, this isn't an unpackaging video, this is an unboxing. I did already take all my personal information out of the box, but I haven't really opened it to see what's inside for real, so let's check it out. Compact optic durable mount, COD mount. And say watch the instruction video and QVO, boom. Gave me a sticker, nice. Gave me an air freshener. Smells good too. And then whatever these things are, I don't know what they are. I'll check those out in a little bit. And here goes the mount itself. Now granted, I have not, I've watched the full video, but I don't remember it. I'll have to rewatch it and stuff, and then we'll do like testing videos, and obviously I'm gonna do videos at the range and stuff, but it's probably is this a bottle opener? Yeah, it looks like they gave me a free bottle opener too. See, that's what I'm talking about. When your life is threatened, you want to take action to be quick, violent, so that the threat is over. Nice. Must be like their motto or something. Alright, so we got this mount, and I've seen pieces like this. Basically, the tensioner. If you tension it, you tighten it down, locks in place. But we're gonna take a look at these other parts and stuff. And I'm not probably gonna try to assemble it. This is just an initial, you know, parts unboxing and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna try to assemble it and mount it. Like I said, I'm gonna have sneak peeks and then range footage right after that of this thing. So yeah. Oh, looks like it's pretty simple though. Oops. So it looks like, okay, you just lock it. So that's locked, and then unlock. It's down, I guess. Okay, lock, unlock. Yeah, this is definitely a lot tighter than the other one. So I guess this is the actual phone mount itself. This one probably has adjustability on it. Pull. Oh yeah, and then that's probably where you lock it. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna check this out, and then I'm gonna get it assembled, and then make a video for you guys, because I don't know what I'm doing on this thing, but I'm guessing this is how it goes, maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna watch the video. And but so far, the materials seem pretty cool. Got an extra clamping system like this, probably for like those obscure like buffer systems or whatever. Probably like the ACR stocks and like the PNT stocks, stuff like that. But this will probably fit on any normal size buffer tube. Then it's like you have an adjuster to tighten this up, so that it doesn't move like that. And then this has a really fine handle, so that's going to be really nice for those finer adjustments and tightening. So you can really crank down this thing. And then this will be probably for just, you know, positioning it right and everything like that, and then locking it into place. But like I said, I'm going to play with it because I don't really know what I'm doing yet. So we're gonna, okay, so it looks like that's the forward adjustment, and that's the spring from there. Oh, and that locks it in too. Nice. All right, so yeah, guys, I'm gonna play with this a little bit. So stay tuned. We got more coming. All right, peace.